Welcome. If your Telegram app isn't working properly on your PC after the latest update, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to fix the issue and get Telegram back to normal. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is closing the app and reopening it. Sometimes the app just needs a fresh start to clear up any minor glitches. Simply close Telegram completely, wait a few seconds, and then open it again. Check if it works after that. If that doesn't help, the next step is to restart your computer. Restarting your PC can resolve a lot of underlying system issues that might be affecting the app. To restart, press the Windows icon, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, and then press the power button to turn your computer back on. Once it restarts, try launching Telegram again and see if it's working properly. If that didn't do the trick, try connecting to a different network. Sometimes, network issues can cause Telegram to stop working. To switch networks, click on the network icon in the notifications area at the bottom right of your screen. Choose another Wi-Fi network if one is available, and see if the app starts working after that. Also, double-check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection might be the reason Telegram isn't loading or working. To check your network, click the network icon again and make sure you're connected to a reliable and fast internet connection. If your connection is unstable, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Finally, if none of these steps work, you may need to uninstall and reinstall Telegram. To do this, press the Windows icon, search for Uninstall Apps, and open the settings. Find Telegram in the list of installed apps, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for it to finish. Once the app is uninstalled, press the Windows icon again and search for Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, type Telegram in the search bar, and click Install. After the installation is complete, open Telegram again and check if the problem is fixed, and that's it. These steps should help you get Telegram working again on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and troubleshooting guides.